National School, Annur. I am going to tell how to prepare Kashayam, which will boost the immune system. Looking today's environment, keep our immune system strong and healthy is for utmost priority. Things needed: garlic 3 to 4, ginger small piece, turmeric powder, pepper powder, salt, cumin seed, clove and water. Now we will see how to prepare it. Now put some garlic, ginger, cumin seed, clove and smash it. Now put the smashed ingredients into the small bowl. Now switch on the stove. Now keep a vessel on a stove. Pour the necessary water into the vessel and boil it. Now water is boiling. Put the smashed ingredients, turmeric powder, pepper powder and salt. Let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Now switch off the stove. Now filter it. Serve with mild heat.